Hi, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota with the all-new, all-hybrid Sienna, 2021 Sienna. This is the XSE model, so it is the sportiest of the group. These are absolutely amazing to drive, although I haven't had a chance to drive one much. It's just a good-looking Sienna. And all I did to do, open the door, was slide my foot under it, kind of like a little kick motion, and it opens and closes that way. So it's got black interior, black headliner, which makes it a little more sporty. Factory navigation, JBL sound system, heated seats, excellent safety features. In fact, when I just ran through the car wash, the brushes that drop down to wash it, the Sienna slammed on the brakes as I thought I was about to hit somebody. So it's very safe, excellent gas mileage, 2 years free maintenance included at any dealer, any Toyota dealer, and I look forward to hearing back from you. It's the only one we have, and we expect it to go pretty fast. 253-394-0046 for Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you. We'll talk soon.